just gonna make a quick snack for later, and then I'll stick it in the fridge so I can have it later in the afternoon. So I'm gonna use my mold here from Herbalife. As you can see, it's branded, so the snack will be with my brand. Right, so I'm gonna use just mix it up. We'll use chocolate flavor or Formula 1. I'll just have 1 scoop of that, and then I'll have another scoop of Formula 1 French vanilla. Should I make a couple of this? Yeah, that's it. That's all I need, and then I'll need oil. I'm going to use coconut oil to make it up. So I've got coconut oil here. See, it's all melted there. So I'm going to use a tablespoon. I'm going to use a tablespoon just to pour. Okay, probably think I put too much. Yep, that's it. Let me just add half a scoop of chocolate flavor. This is Dutch chocolate. I love it. Here we go, and that's it. So I'm gonna mix it up, and then I'll show you guys when I put it into the mold. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in the mold now. Just put as much as you want. Then after that, you stick it in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. So it's one of those quick snacks that you can have when you know you've got people coming over. But now I'm just making it for myself, and because we're in quarantine, so no one can come over. Okay, yeah, my ingredients: Formula 1 nutrition mix, French vanilla, and then I used Dutch chocolate as well, and some coconut oil, and then I put it in the mold here. So I'm gonna stick it in the fridge. Oh, not fridge, but the freezer. Here is the end product of the snack. It's been in the freezer for a little while, as you can see.